everybody, welcome. Now then, something simple today. I'm hoping it's going to be delicious. I've never tried this before. Well, I've tried it, but not the way I'm going to cook it. I'm going to see what happens. I'm hoping it's going to be like a football food. It's like half-time football for the World Cup. Let me show you what we're going to do. I'm going to be doing a chicken curry with rice burrito with some poppadoms to give it that crunch. Now, this cost me £3.83p, I think it cost. I reckon this is going to do 5 or 6 easy. Now, I'm not going to cook these the normal way. I think people have done them before, ain't they? I'm not going to cook them in the microwave or in the oven. I'm going to do them in my Instant Pot to see what they come out like in the Instant Pot. It's going to be quite simple, this one. So, let's get all this in the Instant Pot. I've bought 2 lots of tortilla wraps for me. I bought a seeded one. I didn't have any plain. And I bought a little one, because I'm thinking maybe I could put the little one over the top when I wrap it up. And then I want to fry it in to get it all crispy. I'm hoping it works. It might not. But we'll find out anyway. Right, I've got my Instant Pot ready. I'm going to take the lid off. I'm going to get the chicken curry out. I hope I can get them out of it because they're frozen, ain't they, obviously. Should be able to. Pour them out. That's going to be quite simple. There's one. These were 79p each. Well, they ain't the best, are they, obviously? But for something quick, it's quite simple. Now, because it's frozen, usually put about 2 cups of water in there, but because it's frozen, I'm just going to put 1 in. And then the rice should soak up all the juices. There you go. I'm going to get the lid back on. Quite simple. Put it on seal. So I'm going to stick it onto my manual button. And I'm going to put it on 10 minutes, I think. 10 minutes should be plenty. Start it up. Right, that's on its last minute. And it does smell nice in here. Be nice to see whether this Instant Pot makes them normal foods, them frozen curries taste nicer. I did do one, guys, one of my first videos, I think. I've done jars of sauces. Oh, there it is. I've done the jars of sauces, the Aldi ones, and I tasted a lot better in this Instant Pot, to be fair to you. So what I'm going to stop that a minute. I'm going to let it self-release for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Then we'll give it a stir and we'll have a look. Right, I've just released the last bit of steam there. Just open it up and have a look. Probably need a stir and that. Okay. It's all there. It smells quite nice. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that with the steam. Oh yes. See, I'm going to put it on a saute for a couple of minutes. Just see if I can get rid of some more of that juice off it, of that water. Right, that's been going a couple of minutes now. Most fluid's gone out of it. So I'm going to turn that off. And I'm going to get it into a bowl. There we go. Let's get it in a bowl. It's boiling hot. I say you can do them in the microwave, can't you? So I just want to see what it come out like. Look in here. Still a bit. Let's have a little taste of that. See what it tastes like. It's going to be boiling up though. Oh, that's got some nice little flavour. Oh yes, I think this might work. Right, I'm going to leave that to cool down then. And then we'll get it in the wraps. Right, that's nearly cooled down a bit now. I've just broke up a couple of poppadoms. 3 I think. So I'm going to get me big wrap. Now I was going to fry the bottom first, but I don't think I will. I think I'm going to do it, fry it all together after. Let's get a wrap in. Now I don't want to put loads in because I've got to fold it and that, you know, so I've got to be careful. They're not huge wraps. I'm going to get some curry in the middle. Some 79p curry. I think that might about do it. A little wrap. And that fit over there. Perfect, yeah. Gonna get a papadum in. I do apologise about the sniffing. And fold it like a parcel. Oh yes. If I can. Ah, bust at the end there, look. Got a job for that, get another wrap. Do it again, went a bit hard that time. I'll do it again. Fresh wrap. I think it's the poppadoms in it, I think. No, it's just, I just went a bit heavy. Pour it in there. Don't be shy. Poppadoms are in the, down the other side now, so as long as I'm careful I should be alright. I went a bit heavy handed there, don't get too tight. First time trying it, so experiment for me. Okay, now let's fry that up. I've made 3 so far. I'm just going through them while that's warming up. That's warmed up a bit now, so I'm going to get one in. Sealing down. We'll get that browned up, and I'll keep doing a few more. So I want to see how many I can get. Well, I've only got 4 more wraps anyway. Get it on. Quite looking forward to these. They're not burritos, I don't know what you call them. Burritos are in that shape, are they? I don't know. Fried wrap, I don't know. Food, that's what I call them, food. That's smoking now, that. Shouldn't have started this one while that was doing. There's that one. I think it's going to burn. Oh yes, look at that. Look at that. Right, let's get it out and have a look. Let's well flip it over first and see. Little more, little more, little more. Has anyone ever tried anything like this? Let me know. Have you done these cheap curries in one of these like this? That should do us, I think, now. Oh yes. There it is, look. Doesn't that look nice? Put it on another plate. Right, I'm going to fry the rest up. We'll see how many we get. Right, there we go. I've done 7, and I reckon I've got enough for, let me show you, at least 10. Bit of you could also put a bit of chili in there if you wanted to, a bit of mango chutney. Be gorgeous. So that would work out about, with the 8, I broke the one, didn't I? With the 8, it would work out about 38 pence each. For a half-time meal. I mean, you could make and prepare them and then just fry them up at half-time for 2 minutes, couldn't you? Or eat them cold. Alright, let's have a taste test. So then, what do you think? 38p each for a quick snack. Let's have a bite and let's have a look. Probably have to, yeah. I'll have a bite first and I might have to cut it open so you can see. That's nice. Could do with a bit of spice, but they're just the basic ones, aren't they? Oh yeah. Heavens have opened up. Tell you what, for 38p each, you can't go wrong on that. Let me see if Nat wants to try some. Now you want to try a bit of this? It's like well, it's not a wrap, I don't know what I'd call it, what do you call it? It's a quesadilla, what's a quesadilla? Is it one of them? I don't know what it is. It's not exactly a wrap. Burrito. I was going to do a burrito, but it hasn't come out like a burrito.
You'll have to hold it for us.
I'll have to hold it for you. Alright, I'll cut this one in half.
Let's have a little bite.
Honest opinion. There it is. Cut it in half. You can see it properly. Tell me what you think. Roxy's up here, look, she's thinking, where's mine?
It's missing something.
It's missing some mango or something in it.
No, not mango. No.
What? What do you think is missing? Chilli? Not chilli for you, is it?
Some sort of sauce.
Some sort of sauce, yeah. Probably some sort of sauce.
No bite.
Bit of chilli sauce or something. But you don't like chilli. Or mayo. You can put mayo on that, could you just curry? You can put mayo on that.
I'd have a bit of chilli sauce on that, but I wouldn't have loads.
You just put a bit of mild chilli sauce on it.
Have you got a plate?
No. Yeah, why?
It's on a plate and I'll try it.
What?
Some of these chilli sauce out there.
Okay.
The one that you put on sweet chilli sauce, whatever it's called. This one here, in this bottle.
Which one?
That one now.
Sweet chilli sauce. Yeah, that might be a good idea actually. Forgot I had that.
It's missing just a little.
Bit of sweet chilli sauce.
I don't
Man
mind.
that likes it.
I don't mind that one. I like
Yeah,
the
it's
sauce.
only sweet chilli, isn't it?
Mm. That's one rubbish, horrible day.
It's terrible, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, I'll try now.
Dip it in, yeah?
Yeah, that'll do.
Get it in, yeah. Get it on your neck.
You try that.
Yeah, and get mine. Let's say a bit of mango or something, and you just a dip.
No, that's better. I wouldn't have mango. That's loads better.
Yeah.
See now. I want to eat that, but took it away now.
But I made, right?
Oh.
I made 7.
Yeah.
I got enough for 10. All for £3.80p.
Good, that's good.
So that's like 38p each.
That's really good, that is.
Good, on it?
Oh, you got them good, didn't you?
Expert now at cooking. You want to try that with you?
But that with the sauce on it is so much better. That with the sauce on it is so much better. It just gives it that extra.
It gives you that extra, yeah.
And it's not so, like, they're not dry. They're not, like, in between sort of thing.
Well, the flavours are there, aren't they?
Oh yeah, everything's there, Bab. It's just...
It's only that 79p Aldi curry. That's all it is. Yeah.
What, in a tin?
No, in the box. 79p.
No,
There you go, treat yourselves.
It's yummy. Yeah. That's right.
38p each. There you go. Something else to do with them cheap curries. As I say, I am the old food guy. And to like, just to subscribe. Make them for the football half time. Half time, just fry them up. 15 minutes, you're done. See you later. Bye bye. That's scoffing hers now, look.